Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This video is pretty much the measurements and template pretty much for the applesauce and the fruit cup, which are really cute. Okay, so to pretty much start, you could do this in Publisher. You could also do this in Microsoft as well. You're going to want to go to Insert, and you're going to want to go to Shapes and go down to the circle. And then you can just draw out a circle. It don't have to be a certain size because I'm about to give you the measurements. And for the applesauce, that is pretty much 2.7 by 2.7. Like, it's just the perfect circle. That's pretty much all that is. Now the bigger one is pretty much just 3 inches for the fruit cup. It's just a flat 3 inches. And yeah, you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm trying to figure out if this would also fit the lids to like the Pringle cans. I don't know. I'm gonna test that one out. But y'all, this is so simple. 2.7 and 3 inches. You guys get creative with this, and pretty much this can be something that you can add to your shop. To your tables that you decorate, and it's cute, it's simple. You know, you buy the little packs of applesauce, the packs of fruit cups, and you good to go. So if you have any questions on that, please feel free to ask, and as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.